Hey guys, I'm so excited today. The Federal Reserve has lowered their rates by 50 basis points or half a point. And I want you to understand there is tremendous opportunity here for you. And I want you to get ready for it. I mean, think about it. I mean, it's tremendous opportunity. Now, I'm one of the very first people that will tell you that I do not build my portfolio around the Federal Reserve. I simply take advantage of whatever they offer me. And that's what we're trying to teach you here. Thank God for the Federal Reserve. Thank God for their policies and all. But it is critical that you learn to take advantage of the movement. Right now, rates are lower. So what does that mean for you and I? Well, one thing it means that your loans, the rates are going to come down and that more people can buy houses. Why? Because they're more affordable. But I want you to think beyond that, because maybe you're like one of those persons who are like saying, I'm good. I don't want to buy a house. Well, if you're not positioning to buy a house, what you can do is, sure, you could refinance and probably take your payments down lower, but probably not substantially lower. And even with rates being lower, house prices are still high, guys. So again, I'm happy for people, but I don't see the biggest opportunity there. Sure, it's a good thing. The biggest opportunity that I'm going to talk about today is going to be in the stock market. The stock market, guys, I guarantee you, I feel very strongly that the market is probably having an up day right now, and it's going to continue to surge up because understand all these thousands of companies who borrowed millions of dollars, now they're getting access to cheaper money. So sure, you may want to buy a house, you may want to refinance, but the real challenge, the real opportunity is going to be in the stock market. Hey guys, I am William V. Thompson. I'm a cash flow strategist. And what I do is I help people find opportunities or things they have to help them make money or to create cash flow. Today, if you stay here with me, I'm going to show you stock market opportunities that you can make money on. If you listen and take action with the lower rates, again, thank you Federal Reserve for it, you can make tremendous money, but you have to listen. Hey, if you like any content I'm about to share, simply subscribe as well as like, and in the description there is a free newsletter that will keep you on the cutting edge of ideas and strategies to build generational wealth. Doesn't it frustrate you some to hear all this news about the Federal Reserve and interest rates? And you're like saying, what do I do? I don't know what to do. I already have a lot of debt. I don't want to buy a house. Stock market investing. Today, I'm going to help you understand why this is a plus for the stock market. And I'm going to give you some general things that you want to learn to do. And we will have other videos that will cover this. But you too, no matter where you are, can take advantage of what the Federal Reserve just did, lower rates. And lower rates can mean cash flow and a pathway to build generational wealth. So the backdrop, why is the stock market so excited? Why are you so excited, William, about an opportunity because rates are lower? The number one thing, as I said earlier, is corporations know, number one, that if rates are lower, that means consumers will have more access to cash, whether it be them getting bonuses on their job, whether it be them getting access to unsecured lines of credit, whether their credit card rates coming down, as well as rates coming down, people will have more access to money. And when people have more access to money, what do? They spend more. Understand that what's called our GNP, our gross national product, it really takes an accumulation of all the things that we're producing here. 75% of the GNP is consumer driven. So when the consumers have lower interest rates, they have more money, they normally have more job security, they are happier. So what's going to happen? They're going to spend more. They're going to Best Buy and now buy that TV. They're going to Wayfair and now buy that furniture. They're going to other places to buy that new computer. So the consumer is excited. Now, let's look at the corporations. Corporations are excited too. because now they can borrow money easier, higher limits, at lower rates. Now they are more apt to hire more people because they know consumers are going to buy more. They can possibly lower their pricing within time. So you have a win-win for both situations. Now the question, William, is how do we take advantage of it? Here it is. Let's talk about stocks for a minute. And remember, we do have other videos that go into more detail. Number one, you want to find stocks out there who have growing earnings per share. We can help you. Who you think, look at banks. Bank stocks are probably going to do better now. Home builders are going to possibly do better now. And many companies will because of lower rates. Your goal now is to learn how to buy those stocks at great prices and write this term down, writing a covered call. Come on, writing a covered call. And we're going to have a video that explains in more detail. It's when you buy a good quality stock at a great price. And instead of just holding that stock, you simply rent that stock out like you would a house. For example, you may buy an Amazon, which is probably about $190 now because the market's up a little bit now. You buy it at $190 and you rent that stock out at maybe $220. Three things happen, really two things with Amazon. Number one, as that stock goes up in value, and my opinion says it will be because of what the Federal Reserve just did. And plus, Amazon's a great company. As it goes up in value, you're going to make money. But also you're going to make money right now because you're renting it out. When you rent a house, what happens? You get rental income. Well, in writing a covered call, when you do that, you're going to get money right now. And take that right now money and buy some more of that good stock that you just bought. So between you getting a premium and you getting the appreciation, all because of what the Federal Reserve did, it's a great time. So not only do I want you to buy stock and hold good companies, I want you to rent them out. And my final thought here is going to be selling a put. And if you know anything about what I do, that's my bread and butter. See, selling a put is when you sell someone the right to make you buy a stock that you want at the price you want it at. And guess what happens? You get money right now. So with the Federal Reserve lowering rates, many stocks are going to start going up. Remember, I'm looking for stocks that have growing earnings per share and will benefit from lower rates and consumer spending. It's just that simple. Let's say Amazon, roughly $190. I sell, and again, that's not a recommendation. I sell someone the right to buy it at $175. Well, great things happen. Immediately, I get money. And I could take that money that I got from selling that put, and I could buy some Amazon stock. And if Amazon goes up, I made money. If Amazon stays the same, I made money. If Amazon goes down, guess what? I keep the money that I made and I bought the stock, or I buy the stock on sale. So again, guys, it's so much more to say about this. But I think the most important thing I want to say is we're going to help you build a game plan that no matter what the Federal Reserve does with rates, no matter what the government does with tax policies, etc., we want you to win. And that's where I want to get you to. You don't want your life to be swayed based on what other people are doing. Sure, you got to understand what they're doing, but we want to teach and train you on this channel to take advantage no matter who's in the White House, no matter who's the Federal Reserve president or on that board. We want to help you build a strong financial plan that you will win. So no matter what the laws or the rules are, you would learn how to build a strategy around those rules and build cash flow and build wealth. Again, guys, if you like anything you've heard today, subscribe as well as like and get the free newsletter and stay connected. No matter what the economy's doing, we want to help you win and win big. Have a great day.